IPTV is revolutionizing our TV experience. But does it include a catch-up feature for flexibility? Imagine you missed last night's episode. Would IPTV let you rewind time and catch up? Catch-up TV allows you to access content broadcast earlier, a key feature for many users. IPTV providers use catch-up to deliver flexibility, making it easy to watch missed content. Catch-up features vary among IPTV providers. Understanding these differences is crucial. Providers like 2TV.store offer innovative catch-up solutions, transforming how you enjoy television. 2TV.store ranks high for providing seamless catch-up services, enhancing user satisfaction remarkably. Let's explore how you can optimize IPTV's catch-up feature to never miss any episodes again. First step, access your IPTV menu and locate the catch-up option in the interface. Once accessed, you can scroll through previously broadcast content to find your missed show. Select the desired program. Effortlessly start from where the previous broadcast began. Making watch plans for later is easier with catch-up. Simply schedule your own TV time. Whether sports events or drama shows, catch-up ensures you stay in the loop always. Explore IPTV providers. Find options like 2TV.store, which offer diverse viewing flexibility. Experience next-level entertainment with IPTV's catch-up feature, your ticket to unlimited fun. Dive into IPTV, optimize your viewing. Explore 2TV.store for the best catch-up features today.